Shweta, a very good morning to you. How can we help you?
Hi, very good morning, Megha. My question is regarding Castrol India.
Okay.
I have 240 shares at 208 rupees.
Okay.
I would like to know if I can add more, and I want both, if possible, I want both fundamental and technical view about this stock. I would like to hold it for long term.
Okay, you would want to hold it for the long term. Then I'll go to Astha
Yes.
quickly. Astha, in terms of Castrol India, because they follow the calendar year, it was the Q1 results for them, where overall earnings, stable volume growth was there, and this was despite of the external pressures. Plus, there were new launches, and they've also expanded their distribution network. What's the view with regards to, of course, the Q1 earnings, and from a longer term perspective, should she continue to hold the counter?
One can continue to hold the counter, but please don't add more. Why? Because the results were not that exciting. If I look after Q4 numbers, it was merely a single digit growth, that is less than 5% growth in the bottom line. So the results were not that encouraging. And in fact, on the volume front, also, we are not very much optimistic as of now. So, yes, one can remain invested in this counter for the longer term, but please don't add more at the present level because we feel that the counter is poised to move more down side from here.
Okay, so that's the way with regards to where Castrol is concerned. Our next question, Kush, this one's for you. Tata Motors is the counter. Amar has bought 50 pieces at an average price of 876 and wants to know as to when can he expect his break even, because he's been holding it and sitting on a loss of 10,000 rupees right now. What's the view like where charts are concerned for something like a Tata Motors?
Well, I'm afraid the outlook is not as rosy or as positive as he'd like it to be. I mean, the buy price is close to the 200-day moving average, which is some distance away. If at all, you can take heart from the fact that we've spoken a few times on the show, on the channel, that 600 is a historically strong support zone, and by that I mean historically, as in for the last 7-8 years, that's the kind of level that the stock has respected. Even this time around, if you uh, if you give a concession of a couple of sessions, the stock actually respected that 600 level and is starting to rebound from here. Momentum seems to be picking up, but I think given the kind of massive downturn that the stock has taken, you will see selling pressures along the way. So it could be a while before he sees his price 2 maybe 3 quarters on the way up. What I would suggest is that if you want to lighten your positions, then 695 is one level where you should start considering. 750 is another level to consider to go light on the position. You will obviously be incurring a loss, but it will be relatively lesser to what you're incurring currently. So with a positional stop around the 600 mark, keep exiting at these levels, as the stock moves higher.
Okay, so that's the view with regards to where charts are concerned for Tata Motors. Our next